What's up, I'm Germain. This is my Colt Crew whip, and I'm going to give you a rundown on all the parts that I'm currently riding. I ride a Colt Alex Kennedy signature frame. It has a 21-inch top tube, 13.5 rear end, and an 8.75 standover. I ride Colt Trey Jones signature handlebars. They're 8.7 rise, and I cut mine to about 27 inches wide. I ride a Colt Salvation top load stem and a Colt headset. I'm running Colt Sect V3 forks. For my front wheel setup, I'm rolling on 2.4 Colt T-Heart slicks, a Colt complete front wheel, 2 Colt hub guards, and Colt butter pegs. I got Colt DAC pedals, Colt OS cranks, 175 millimeters, a Colt member guard sprocket. I run a Colt half-link chain. For my seat, I run a Colt DAC seat, tripod, and a Colt tripod post. For my back wheel, I have a Colt Free Coaster complete wheel. I have butter pegs, 4.5 inches, 2 Colt hub guards, and a 2.4 D-Heart slick.